Did you know Excel has a brand new function that can split any text into rows and columns at the same time with just one formula? In the next 60 seconds, I will show you. Most Excel users still use the old text to columns wizard, which is slow, destroys your original data, and has to be repeated every single time. Here we have a column of data where each cell contains a full name and department separated by a comma, like John Smith Sales. Click on an empty cell where you want the split data to appear. In our case, the full formula is equals text split, then A2, which is your source text, then a comma delimiter in quotes, which splits text into separate columns, and then a semicolon. Look at that. Excel instantly spills the split text across multiple columns and rows automatically, filling in every piece of data perfectly from a single formula. You just learned how to use TEXTSPLIT to split any text into rows and columns instantly with a single dynamic formula.